Hey guys, today's recipe is mango malai kulfi, so let's start it. Add 4 cups of milk. Boil the milk on medium flame till it reduces to 50% of quantity. Adding half cup of finely chopped nuts. Half cup of sugar. Few pistachios. Half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Making sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of pan, so continue stirring and scraping the sides for the creamy milk solids. I'm using 1 cup of mango puree, just make sure the mango is fully ripened. I have taken the mold and added the mixture into it, covered with the foil paper followed by some sticks, and let's freeze it for 8 hours. I'm taking a bowl of warm water and dipping the popsicle into it. Use a knife over the sides to remove the popsicle. And now you can enjoy your mango malai kulfi immediately. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.